Okay, so these are the things we came up with for dealing with irate customers. Not again.
Sorry, I gotta take this one.
I can't believe this. I think we should tell
That's
Grace.
about the fourth time today.
Problem?
Yeah, Bill's cell again.
You know, it's really frustrating. This is a 3-person exercise. What are we supposed to do now?
I understand, and I'll take care of it. For right now, let's just refocus. Where'd you leave off?
Okay, these are the things we've come up with for dealing with.
You know, cell phones and pagers are great things to have around most of the time, just not in your classroom. So make sure you set ground rules about turning off those phones, pagers, or any other device that can cause a distraction up front. And when you do run into someone who ignores the